Get your camping knowledge up to speed with these excellent tips. While camping is a rather simple pastime for millions of people around the world, one of the key secrets to having a great trip is to know enough ahead of time to be skilled at it. Just knowing a little bit of information about camping can help your camping trip go off without a hitch. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Purchase a quality tent. It can be tempting to score a good deal on a tent, but you want to find something that can hold both you, your family members, and your belongings. Try visiting a store that specializes in outdoor gear. They tend to have well-made products that will last for a while. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. This video gave you enough information so that you should be adept at handling basic camping events that come your way, even if you haven't left for your trip yet. Camping is a fun excursion for everyone in the family, and if you keep the advice here in mind, your trip will be a blast. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.